86 aspencade goldwing here. Got all the drag specialties add-ons. Thing is mint. People that had it before me took care of it, not a scratch on it. Seats all good, exterior's all good, gauges work, runs perfect, comfortable. Look at that seat. I love that backrest. Got all the extra chrome, new tires, fuel pump, plugs today. Got all that storage there. Got the CB in there. Stereo sounds good, works good. Like to keep it, but I like to get a muscle car. I got room for that in the garage. You guys, let me know what you think. What you think I should sell this for? 54,000 miles on it. I know these things go for 150,000 miles, 200,000. Let me know. Thank you.